It was a soggy start to the day if you were north of U.S. Route 50 with the batch of rain that crossed through. And some of these totals in the blue shading radar estimated totals indicate totals over half an inch of rainfall earlier this morning. And temperatures were in the lower 70s for a lot of the northern tier of the peninsula when that rain moved through. But now we've rebounded into the lower 80s, and we're starting to also see that afternoon sea breeze kicking in, keeping temperatures cooler along the coastline down into the lower 70s. It's 83 degrees with Bob and Diane and Smyrna reporting 2,600 of an inch of rain. 76 degrees with Chucky and Lewis. 76 with Joe and Bishopville reporting 88 hundredths of rain. So he was in that heavier batch of rain from earlier this morning, and 74 degrees with Curtis and Mary in Ocean Pines. So we still have a little bit of convection across the region. Look at these clouds looking south from our Ocean Pines sky cam, the Ocean Casino sky cam, looking live at Ocean Pines, I should say. But there's a decent amount of sunshine out there. There's a cold front that's in the process of slicing through the peninsula, and ahead of this front, we've got some shower activity. There's no thunder lightning with these, but certainly a little bit of rain just to the north and east of Chincoteague right now, and portions of Accomack County getting a little bit of rain, but a lot of us are dry right now. But there is a little thin band of moderate rain that's crossing through the upper shore in northern Delaware, so areas south of this like Chestertown and maybe even Dover may get a little bit of rain out there probably within the next 30 minutes or so. So we'll be watching that this evening. Now going into tomorrow, we have more chances for showers and thunderstorms and a little bit of a severe weather risk. Level 2 out of 5 risk is in place for mainly the midshore and towards the southwest of the lower shore and down towards Accomack County as well, with the potential for maybe even an isolated tornado, specifically in this brown shading right here. I think the overall greatest threat for severe weather tomorrow, though, is going to be generally west of our area. I think west of the Bayside. And I'll explain why. A lot of our computer model guidance, high resolution ones, indicate that the most unstable air with this warm front is going to be pretty much west of the Bay, because we're going to have an easterly wind tomorrow. So I do think the air mass is going to be stable enough to where we won't have many severe weather concerns. So I would think with the next Storm Prediction Center update tomorrow, I think the greatest focus for severe weather will be confined towards the west, but we'll certainly keep an eye on that. If that warm front crosses further north, we may be talking about the potential for a stronger storm, so we'll definitely keep an eye on that. Regardless of any severe weather potential, though, it will be on the unsettled side for tomorrow. We're talking about mostly cloudy skies out there. Again, easterly breeze out there, keeping temperatures a bit on that cooler side, and we'll have rounds of showers and thunderstorms at times throughout the day. Not a washout of a day, but there will be rain at times. So just keep that in mind to have the umbrella handy if you're going to be out and about for tomorrow. But I do think we will dry things out for a day on Monday. We'll have mostly cloudy skies for Sunday night into Monday morning. And because of the humidity in place and kind of a lingering onshore breeze still, I think the clouds will be a little bit stubborn to break out during the day on Monday. This is at 4 p.m. But I do think we will see at least a little bit of sunshine before the day's end for a day on Monday. So tonight, dropping into the 60s with increasing clouds and some patchy fog out there as well. Rain forecast looking good. Winds won't be too much of an issue, only at around 5 to 10 knots out there, with scattered showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow. Temperatures around 69 to 74 degrees. So again, because of that easterly wind, temperatures aren't going to be all that warm. So we'll get a dry break for Monday. Another cold front's going to slide through on Tuesday, bringing with it some more showers and storms, but that's not going to cool us off. And if anything, we get warmer by the end of the week. Upper 80s with a lot of sunshine.